How to send anonymous messages on NGL. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send the anonymous messages on NGL. So you can simply download the NGL application from the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you need to tap NGL. You will see an application like this. After installing it, just open your NGL application and then it will take you to a page like this. Now you need to copy the link and paste it somewhere where your friends can see, other people that want to send messages to you can see it. So if I want to send it, then I can simply choose to paste it on my Instagram story, and by tapping the link, they will simply be directing to my NGL application and can send me anonymous messages. I'll show you how I can do that. After tapping the link that I have pasted in my story or I've sent it to a certain person, they can just tap on it and then they will be visiting the screen like this. Now after that, they can simply tap anything and tap on the send button right here. Now the messages it's sent. If I want to say it in NGL application, then I'll just tap on it. You can see there is the one tick right here. Now I can see the new view and the inbox as well. When I tap on the inbox option, I'll see the new message right here. And then I can see the message that have just been sent by the anonymous person. If they have sent, I'll not know the name of the person. And that's how you can send and see the messages in NGL application. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. And also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.